Hello, my name is Jonathan Smith. Welcome to this short introductory video on using Pear Technology products to perform a BS5837 tree survey. The end result might be similar to what we're looking at here, but in the first instance you would start with PT Mapper. This is the desktop map editing software, and you may start with a DXF drawing file given to you by your architect, or if you haven't got one of those, you'll need Ordnance Survey map data available via our map shop, which click via the blue button, put in the postcode for the area you want, draw around the area you need, download that and bring it into PT Mapper. So we've started with our map here. The other thing you would then need to do is to take the map and the survey templates out to Pocket GIS. That brings it out to your handheld device. So what we'll be then seeing, same sort of map, and here on this particular map I've already plotted one tree. So you would say this is where the tree is. You tap the screen to record the position, and this then opens a survey template to record the details. So put in the tree ID, species details, measurements, then the condition and the form of the tree, retention category, overall condition, any work requirements, of which you could have 4, then say how urgent is it for the work to be done and when will the next inspection be, what is today's date, which is automatically recorded, and then there's a free text field where you can enter free text. You can use a voice to text, but you can also modify the survey to add a photo and a voice memo function if you want to. When you've finished, click on tick. That completes the tree survey. So there's our tree. What we would then do is to export that survey result. That comes across as a CSV or spreadsheet file. So here's the spreadsheet we've just exported. Close that. So then you can import that survey file onto the map. So if we just come onto the Trees tab, opens the Trees tab there, import the BS survey. There's the survey file to come in. Click on Open. There's the data we're about to import. Click on Import, and that brings the whole tree in. If you have taken some site measurements, and with a 5837 you may have done with a laser or tape, you can select the whole tree and you can adjust the position very easily to make sure it's in exactly the right position matching your measurements. So then what you would want to do is to add the tree legend, which is just done by clicking on Draw Legend, which is that one there. You might also add on, so we've got some tree protection layers added onto the map, and we've got the legend for that down at the bottom right. So the other thing you would want to do is to add on a title box. So we've added that onto this map here, and you can then output that result to a PDF file and incorporate that within your Word document. In respect of the CSV file that we looked at, so file, so very wide, lot of columns to it, what we could do is import that into TreeMinder software, and with literally a couple of clicks we can then produce a nice simple straightforward report like this and bring that into TreeMinder, and then take it out of TreeMinder into your Word document. If you wanted to produce your own report, we can do that in Survey Designer, which is our free bit of Survey Design. Here's the 5837 survey. You can modify that, adding or removing items as you wish, or you can create your own surveys and your own formats. please give us a call or drop us an email to arrange a one-to-one discussion or demo, or on site or remote.